the bearings are gone. There's the old blue Ryobi. No parts available for these anymore. So this will just be a simple fix. It'll have to be just bearings or nothing. Can't get them parts for the lock mechanism or anything like that there. Right, let's see what we can do here. That's if it'll even open. Some of these old ones can be tight. Get the motor pulled out of them. Yeah, new bearings needed. That wee boy on top, that's a magnetic pickup for the speed control. That's just pressed on. You have to prise that off very, very gently. Don't put it in a vise, don't use pliers or it'll just break. Just prise it up gently with a very small screwdriver from the bottom. Sounding better anyway. That'll do for the old Ryobi. Where's she from? 1999. She's got a fair bit of work done.